You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, stay tuned. The top word is pronounced as Biennale. That's the more Italian pronunciation. It's something that occurs every second year. Biennale. That's from Italian. English pronunciation Biennale. In Italian, Biennale. Now, the bottom word is the actual proper English word for it, which is pronounced as biennial. Biennial. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.